at a quack.
It's my socks.
What's a duck say?
What does a ducky say?
It's my socks.
Would you like me to help you?
Another one.
What does a ducky say?
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Sheep. Cow.
Moo.
Sheep.
Ah.
Sheep.
Ah.
Horse.
Ah.
Castle.
Like a carousel.
Castle.
You want to go on Mama's carousel?
Not the tongue.
It's not Shaitan.
It's not the tongue.
What? Why is it not?
What's another one? What's another one?
It was another one.
Yeah.
What was its name?
B-R-E. B-R-E.
B-R-E?
Yeah. With them.
Sure. Let me see.
Take it yourself. You can do it yourself.
You can do it yourself. You're a big kid. You know.
Now do myself a big kid. Now do myself a big kid.
I can do it myself. I'm a big kid now. I can do it myself.
I want to help you.
I've got potty.
High power.
No need to tell.
It's my socks. It's my socks.
No need to tell, Mom. No need to tell.
What's another one?
I don't know. You need to find it. I don't know.
I'm also here. It's outside, Kiki.
It's outside, Kiki. Is it all clean?
Yeah.
Let me smell. Mmm. Papa, did you and Papa wash it?
Give me a hug, you little girl. May I have a ducky hug?